Get ready for a sensory overload. The roar of engines, the crack of timber, and the sight of massive trees toppling in seconds. This video pushes the boundaries of logging like never before. Don't miss it. Watch in awe as this lumberjack tames a giant with nothing but skill and machine. The precision is surgical, the power undeniable. This is what modern forestry looks like: efficient, controlled, and breathtaking. Witness the precision and respect of a skilled bucker as they bucking a magnificent Douglas fir on Vancouver Island. Oh my gosh! Did you see that 500-year-old fir tree come down? It was epic. The crew was so careful and knew exactly what they were doing. It was amazing to see how they made sure everyone was safe and didn't hurt anything around the tree. I learned so much about trees and how important it is to take care of them. It made me realize that even when we have to do something like cut down a really old tree, we need to think about it carefully and do it the right way. It's like nature is powerful and we need to respect that. This dude's got some serious chainsaw skills. He makes it look so easy, but I bet it takes years of practice to get that good. It's pretty cool to see someone who's so passionate about what they do. Buckle up, folks, because timber hauling is not for the faint of heart. These brave drivers navigate monster loads, sometimes weighing over 60 tons, through some of the most challenging terrain imaginable. Their unwavering focus and expertise are truly commendable, ensuring the safe and efficient delivery of vital resources. This Li 24.8F is a beast. Who would have thought a Chinese excavator could handle the T-region forest like this? The forest cart and full protection are smart moves, but that automatic fire extinguisher? Genius. It's early days, but this machine might just shake up the harvesting game with its performance and price. After their epic journey, the logs are ceremoniously offloaded at sprawling log yards, poised for sorting and processing. This colossal crane, a marvel of engineering, will leave you awestruck with its agility and precision. Handling thousands of tons of timber daily, it's no wonder it's the undisputed MVP of the lumberyard. The John Deere 2954D, where power meets precision. 271 horsepower engine, Timbermatic automation, robust construction, unmatched durability, reduced operator fatigue, increased productivity. The facts speak for themselves. This is the future of forestry, engineered to perfection. These Sumitomo SH240 log loaders are like giants, effortlessly lifting and stacking massive logs. The operators are true masters of their craft, orchestrating this impressive ballet of machinery and timber. The mere sight sends shivers down my spine, let alone wielding a saw for tree topping. And there are far more terrifying things. Sunlight paints the Sierra Nevada in gold as a logger's saw whispers through a majestic Jeffrey pine. It's a bittersweet symphony, a farewell to a forest giant, a prelude to 1,000 new beginnings. This Carlton SP6016 stump grinder is tackling that massive 30-foot pine stump like it's child's play. The 54-horsepower Kubota engine and green teeth cutting teeth are a force to be reckoned with. And the best part? You can control this beast from a distance with the handy remote. No more wrestling with heavy machinery in awkward positions. Maneuvering a vehicle of this size and load presents significant challenges. Occasional loss of control is an inherent risk in such operations. Can you feel the raw energy in this place? We're talking hillbilly sawmills, folks, where tradition meets grit. It's a symphony of sawdust and steel, and that gang saw is the conductor, orchestrating a masterpiece of lumber production. These mills aren't just about wood. They're about community, heritage, and the unyielding spirit of American innovation. Hit that like button if you appreciate the hard work and ingenuity that goes into every board. Back in the day, removing bark from logs was a tough, time-consuming job. But now, we have the Meebor SLH. This powerful machine, capable of handling logs up to 1.2 meters in diameter, makes the process a breeze. It's like watching a master craftsman at work, effortlessly stripping away the bark with precision and speed. And with its adjustable heads, the SLH can handle any log, ensuring a perfect result every time. It's amazing how technology has transformed this once laborious task into something so efficient and elegant. This little powerhouse, the Cranman P25, is revolutionizing thinning operations. It's compact, fuel-efficient, and packs a punch, handling trees up to 250 millimeters like it's nothing. See it in action and witness the future of sustainable forestry. A split-second decision made all the difference between life and tragedy. This video will leave you on the edge of your seat. Wow, check out this amazing saw. It's called the Wilopiwa Dwuwawowa WD200-240M. And it's like a super saw with two spinning parts that have lots of sharp blades on them. You can use it to cut a big piece of wood into many smaller pieces all at the same time. It's so cool. You can even change how many blades you use and make the pieces as wide as you need them to be. Plus, it's super fast and powerful, so you can cut through wood in a flash. I can't wait to try it out. Sometimes we have to give up something to receive a valuable lesson, just like this guy did.
get her fixed, and we'll be back in business. All right.
This is a tense moment, a reminder that even the most experienced face unpredictable challenges. But hey, that's life in the woods, right? It's tough, it's unpredictable, but it's also undeniably captivating. These mighty logging trucks, laden with timber, embark on a journey that fuels economies and connects continents. It's a sight that evokes both awe at the scale of the operation and appreciation for the natural resources that sustain us. Volvo FH 16600. I had the pleasure of driving one of these trucks. This truck was so powerful I never once felt the need to give it full throttle. I could overtake anything on the road if I needed to as well. Truly a monster that everyone desires. Hey, look at this crazy machine. It's ripping up those roots like it's no big deal. Kinda weird looking, but man, it gets the job done. Pretty cool, right? Picture this: rugged mountains, the scent of pine, and the rhythmic clip-clop of hooves. In some corners of the world, this timeless scene still plays out, a testament to the enduring bond between humans and animals, and a reminder that sometimes the old ways are still the best. The process of loading lumber onto barges differs significantly from loading trucks. Barges, due to their size and the nature of water transport, require careful consideration of weight distribution to maintain balance. Additionally, securing the lumber with appropriate lashing is crucial to prevent shifting or loss during transit.